My screen is visible, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah. So myself, Madhuri, I'm your trainer for CCNA. Okay. So timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Only demos we are giving at 7 p.m. Regular class timing will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is the regular session timing. Okay. Duration is 1 month. Monday to Friday. Classes will be. Okay. So this course is about CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. So in these classes, we'll discuss about routing and switching. Concepts of routing and switching. Any idea about routing and switching? Any idea about this concept, CCNA course? Anyone?
No, ma'am. At least I don't have any knowledge.
No.
Okay.
Thing is, ma'am, do
Prakash?
we need to learn any prerequisite for it or?
No need anything. I'll explain everything from basics.
Okay.
What about Prakash?
No, ma'am.
Mr. Chaitanya? Yeah, Chaitanya, my voice is audible. Hello.
Yeah, you are audible, ma'am.
So this course is regarding CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. This is the networking concept. This course is regarding routers and switches. So worldwide, how data communication is going on between different city to city, state to state, or country to country, how the devices are communicating with each other. So that we are going to discuss in this CCNA course. Yeah, Suhovan, you are joining for Linux also, it means? Are you joining on also for Linux?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm planning to join Linux and this one.
Okay. If like in Linux morning batch started at 7 a.m. If you want to attend the demo session, you can attend the demo session.
Ma'am, do you have any evening batch or afternoon batch? Morning we have colleges, so
7 a.m. is not possible for you.
okay. After that, you don't have any batches during midday or
Evening already one batch is running, going on. So after 10 days, new batch is going to start.
okay, fine. Then I'll join the new batch. And ma'am, do I need
Yeah,
to
but
learn this fast and then join this batch, or is it fine if I can join with CCNA?
no problem. That is different and this is different. Both are networking only. Linux about operating system, Linux operating system. How we have Windows operating system, same
Yeah.
like that we have Linux operating system. So Linux course is about Linux operating system, and in CCNA we'll discuss about the configurations of routers and switches. Once operating system is installed in all the PCs, how data is going to share from one PC to another PC, how the connectivities are going on, how the data is sharing from one area to another area. This all covers in CCNA. CCNA is about WAN technology and Linux is about operating system. And one spell your name.
Yeah, you can call me Sushovan.
Showan. Done.
Thank you.
So I'll just give the idea what we are going to learn in this CCNA course, so you'll get some idea. Okay. So as you all are freshers for this networking field, what I will do is instead of starting CCNA, I will start the classes from basics. Basics of networking. I'll start the course from basics of networking. Like what is network? What is networking? How many types of networks are there? What are the basic requirements to connect our system in a network? That concepts I will explain first. Okay, so if you are coming to these classes with zero knowledge, also not an issue. Everything I will explain from starting. And after that, I'll explain about OSLAS. Any idea about OSLAS, anyone? 7
No,
layers. Any idea?
no, ma'am, I'm not from computer science background.
Uh, what is your, I mean, what you studying?
I'm into mechanical engineering.
Okay. Which year?
This year, 2023 passed out. Actually, I want to
Acha, you
make my
just passed
career.
out.
Yeah, actually, I just want to make my career into DevOps. So one of my senior told
Yes,
me
yes,
to
yes.
have a knowledge on
Yeah, yeah,
Linux and
yes.
networking. So
Yeah.
I
For
joined
DevOps
this.
first, you should have Linux knowledge. Networking knowledge is required.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So OSLAS. Using this OSLAS, we'll discuss from one PC to another PC while sending the data or receiving the data. What rules they maintains? What protocols they maintains while sending the data and receiving the data? So that we'll discuss in OSLAs. OSLAs are important for freshers, those who are going for networking side jobs. Okay. So after this, we'll discuss about IP address. Internet protocol address, which is used for carrying the data from source to destination. Okay. And then we'll discuss about subnetting, dividing one single network into multiple individual networks. What is subnetting? Where we do subnetting and how to do subnetting. That also we'll see. Whatever the concepts I'm showing here, every concept we'll discuss separately. Okay. And so once these classes are completed, this is the very basics of networking. Once these are completed, then I'll go with CCNA actual concepts. Here,
Yes.
introduction to routers argue. So router is a networking device which gives communication between two or more different networks. So what is router? Router, what is the function of router? Where we use router? How many types of routers are there? What are the internal and external components of a router? This all we'll discuss in introduction to routers. Okay, and then initial configuration of a router. Once we purchased a new router, so what configuration we do in that router? That we'll discuss. Then WAN interface configuration. So from one network to another network, we do WAN configuration. So about this, that we'll discuss in WAN configuration. How the WAN technologies are giving the communication from one network to another network. How many types of WAN technologies are there? This all we'll discuss there. How to connect from one network to another network. Okay. Then routing protocols. If you want to transfer the data from one network to another network, we need some protocols, routing protocols. Protocols are used to carry the data from source to destination using the best path. So we have protocols like static routing, default routing, and dynamic routing. In dynamic routing, we have RIP, OSPF, EIGRP. So about these routing protocols, what is the difference between RIP, OSPF and EIGRP? How they will transfer the data from one network to another network, how to do configurations. This all we'll discuss separately. Okay. So once this is completed, we'll discuss about access control list. In access control list, we will discuss how to allow or block a particular network or a particular PC or a particular service, how to block in a network. That we'll discuss using ACLs. It is like mini firewalls. So we'll discuss at that time. Then switching concepts. In switching, we'll discuss about introduction to switches, internal and external components of a switches, types of switches, we'll discuss them. Then VLAN, virtual local area network, dividing a single broadcast domain into multiple broadcast domains is called VLAN concept. Means a single switch acts like a multiple switch. We can make a single switch as a logically multiple switches. About that, we'll discuss in VLAN. Trunking. Forwarding the data from one switch to another switch. That is trunking. So how to transfer the data from one switch to another switch using trunking, we'll discuss about that. VTP, Virtual Trunking Protocol. So it is used to create multiple VLANs at a time in multiple switches. This concept also I'll explain. What is this VLAN? How to configure VLAN? Concept is very, very easy, but it is very important in real time. Definitely you'll get the question. If you are going for networking side, you'll get this question definitely. Okay. We'll discuss about VTP, STP, spanning tree protocol. Okay, DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, which is used to assign IP addresses automatically. Redistribution, it is used to give communication between different routing protocols. HSRP, so it is used for backup routers. NTP, Network Time Protocol, we have many concepts. This is what the main concepts I'm giving here. Okay, so we have many concepts to discuss like this. So from one network to another network, how to share the data. Okay, how the data is going on worldwide, how the communication is going on, how the devices are connecting with each other. Okay, what are the switches, what is switch, everything. What is switch, what is router, how many types of devices, networking devices are there, how the data is going on, everything we will discuss. In CCNA. Are you getting what I'm telling? And one more thing, whatever concepts I will explain, for every concept I will give notes also. Once you join for this course, they will give you Telegram link. Once you register for this course, they will give Telegram link. So if you join for this course means, just add to the Telegram link also, so that whenever I explain the concept after finishing the class, I will share the notes to the Telegram group. Not only for that, if you have any doubts, any queries, when you are doing any practicals, if you're getting any confusion, any doubt is there, you can ping me there also. I will respond there. I will help you out. Uh, So who one? Yes, your name.
Yeah, ma'am.
8 to 9 p.m. Actually, we started last week on Friday. That batch will merge this batch to there. But after we complete the concept which are covered there, after that only we'll merge this batch to that batch.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So daily class will be 1 hour. So once the class is completed, the notes which I explained in the classroom, the notes I will share with you on Telegram link. Okay. And you'll get the recording videos also, which is 6 months valid. Anything you want to ask me?
Ma'am, do we have any practical session like Cisco packet
Yes, yes.
tracer and everything?
Yes, yes. Using Cisco Packet Tracer, we'll do the practicals. Once basic concepts are completed, when I started CCNA concepts, regularly practicals will be there.
Okay. And second thing, ma'am, do we have any firewall for the explanation purpose to understanding mainly?
No, using Packet Tracer only, I'll explain.
We don't have any separate firewall to correct me.
If I have firewalls also, I cannot show, like physically, I cannot work it out with you guys, right? If it is online classes, we'll configure that firewall, everything I will show in Packet Tracer only.
Okay.
The configurations, everything will show in Packet Tracer only.
Okay. Okay.
So anything else you want to ask me? Any doubts you want to ask me? And one more thing, when the session is going on, if you have any doubts, if any concept is not clear, you can ask me there. I will explain definitely the concept. If you want me to explain again, also I will explain. No issues on it. Make sure that the concepts are clear for you. Okay. If you're not asking me in the class, you can ask me after the class also, or you can ping me on Telegram or respond there also. Okay, so if you're doing any practicals, the concept you're not getting, practical output you're not getting, you can ping me there in Telegram group. I'll respond.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. Tomorrow, class will be starting at 7 a.m. Tomorrow, no demos, nothing. I'll explain the concept. I will start tomorrow, basics of networking concept. Whether students are joined or not, I will start the class at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. and I will start the session. Please make sure you're on time.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.